Hey Nopal, can you finish your homework?
Yes, why?
Hey, give it to me. I want to copy.
But teacher said not copying. If we get caught, I'll be in trouble too.
Do I look like I care? Make over.
A few moments later.
Now, I do you study. Don't you ever get bored?
I study because I want to learn, not to bother others.
People like you work.
Finish. You can take my book. You can laugh at me, but you will never take my picture. One day, people will see what you need to see.
Why is it so noisy here?
Nothing, sir. I just hope we all can learn in peace, without anyone disturbing others. The classroom is a place to us gain knowledge, not a place for bullying. Respect is what makes us stronger together.
Over the Dead Sea, keeping you company, thinking I'm not afraid of you now. I'm not afraid of you now. Letting my eyes close, shedding my soft clothes. Wind blows, wind that howls like a hound, wind that laughs like a clown. Mystery of
You got me jumping like